Nixol Capsules. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So if you don't know what this is, Nixol is a metabolism supplement, as you can see right here. So it basically helps with your metabolism. So fast metabolism helps you with your weight or your stomach, giving you a smaller, thinner body. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this product is legit, let's head over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews, which is 4.5 out of 5 stars with 64 reviews. However, I do see some 1 stars. So as you can see, I don't even know how to start, just really impressed. Really works. My friend suggested that I try. Order the tablets, 5 star. This is a great product that is truly making a difference, 5 star. Blah blah blah, 5 star again, good product, 4 star. The first thing I do is everyone take the Nixol, makes me feel so much better, 5 star again. So a lot of people are saying that it is really good. However, there are some 1 star reviews right here. Fake, not as advertised on Dragon's Den. I'm trying to get my money back. Nixol food supplement, blah blah blah, did not appear on Dragon's Den. So basically, this Dragon's Den is the problem. Fake company. However, there are 5 star reviews which do outweigh the 1 star reviews, which makes this product a bit of a hit or miss. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you wanna buy this product, I suggest doing some research before buying it. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.